Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Muaythai Jaya. Say it loud. Muaythai Jaya.
Just look at
Arngut ki Khynnah yelekai Muaythai ka jelna hapo kalama jong ka Muaythai Association of Meghalaya kila Khur ya ka Takma rupa baranong ha ka Youth IFMA World Championship of Muaythai ha Kuala Lumpur Malaysia kablakod ha kasni ublay. Kini ki kentup ya ka Mary Christine Riang laipo prakeji kabla Khur ya ka Takma rupa hadin bakala syarem ha ka final jong ka kerdan yelekai ki Khynnah ki bahapo khatsan snem karta kata ha kanong yelekai na Philippines. Ka Christine Kalakhoru ya katak marnong hakawai kru IFMA lembat ka Alfonsa Zeneriang Laipausan KG. Hakani ka kenti ka Muaythai Association of Meghalaya kalapha hadu henrengot ki Khynnah hakabadon na preng jongki ki balasya remno haka quarter final.
Pulai kalau nervous mengawan drawing boarding international. Pulai balat maka beliau champion tank yang ada kategori balik. Te trim high balik last week balat trim high. Te kiri kom praktis ini juga standar balik sebar itu. Tengah yorong direct main final.
Ini Alfon yelekai quarter final tadi ka khatar license live 100 kilo. Te gram quarter final te ga Mary Christine kadi khatsa khatsan senam ha ka live 100 kilo te gi yang di poin di final nam ta haru ini ora musuh medal mata ini kana fi lawan ben kana de khatsa senam khatsa khatsan te yelekai ha ka 100 kilo te nam ta sinrang Everest lengdo khatsa khatsan senam 100 kilo nang ta uban sa nam kerpang bawar kilo yelekai khatsa khatsan kedai 100 kilo tengah semua benong bang ai play kini Khynnah dengan ka association pun presiden ka association bro kowe ngi bakala de ka bakham ka bala kham chongdor ba kemen lawan ra do tumpum usul bar medal mat ngidon du ki kini armut ki play simbenta ya kanika kawai kru kata kadai ka traditional jong ka Muaythai habang syua mi yelekai ya ka tournament kan wonoru apa nei pekka yang ni yelekai jong Muaythai kemen ngile yang ni kawai kru kabaki kaba mentau senam kemudian kila organize bat kila pelong ru kumbawi ka benta na ka benta ka world championship banjo compete bat kiwi ki country tengi layo ni kini poisa ka semifinal te layo yu bronze medal bro ngot Christine ka yo ya ka fight mong men yang ban yang kaju subar bat ini ga Alphonse yo udah kumbu bronze medal hani ka kru dan India yang yo kru kumba saungut kita gede ki bronze medal hi na ki wai state te bat khamtam kani ka championship ko bamta ka youth kolong ba kai kolong ka ba ajmut ka ba khamai experience ki Khynnah namar ba kitu hibarem na kani ka youth world championship ka babu menta kemudian po Malaysia kani ka federation kala organize ka wai bat pelong pan kata ka Grand Slam kemudian nadu kisipau khatwai senam kila belekai hadu ka benlong hapo ka benang dai po junior kemudian hapo ka prasnam tengi khamsim bentasyu tegidon ki wai ki state ki besim ni Grand Slam bidon ki biyo silver medal biyo bronze medal ban rei ban kani keju hero kila organize pa sia ka wai pan ka beri ka pro fight na kamta ki Khynnah nadu ki sipo karwai snam ter hadu ki bahapo junior ya kani ka pro fight kila bu bentuk snam the disability is more whatever I asked the coach. So I was everything I was purchased. I bought the materials for myself. So we didn't have fun even from the association also. But this time, since the government is give us this enough fun, so I told the secretary give me 30,000 to purchase some materials like chest guard, we need gear, chin guard, but gloves. But because we cannot buy such so many materials, we have to calculate because there we have to purchase by the USD. So the Indian money is very cheap not to compare with USD. So I think whatever we can buy them as soon as we have to give them for the training. so that we can compete. But especially we need, as I have already repeated again, we need the infrastructure, and especially we need for the ring, so that we can compete with the other country. Because if we look for the other country, they are training, they are very good. We can say gym, they have mat, they have everything, they have ring, whatever the training they have finished for the training, like everything like condition and all, they need for the pads. We practice for kick pad, for punch pad, in the ring also. So we need also how to give the advanced training in our athlete also, especially the players, how to move, how to attack, how to move, how to contact for the opponent. So we need all these things, we need with the ring, because without ring, no, we cannot do.